As you can see, I've opened a terminal window. This is where we'll be entering all of our Git commands and working with our repository. On Windows, you'll want to use the Git Bash application that was installed along with Git, which you'll find within your Start menu. Your terminal may look a little bit differently on Windows, but that's okay. All the commands will work just the same. The first thing we need to do is to create a directory for our project. You can do this anywhere you'd like. I'll just call mine Intro to Git, and I'll cd into that directory. At this point, we need to establish a Git repository within this directory. We do this with the git init command. So just type git init and press enter, and you should see this message, initialized empty repository and a file path. This will be different on your own computer. So what exactly has this done within our file system to establish that this directory contains a Git repository? It's quite simple actually. Here we have our project directory, and like any other directory, it can contain a number of files. Currently, our directory is empty. There are no files within it. After running git init, Git creates a hidden directory named .git in our project directory. Depending on the way your system is configured, you may not even see this directory if you were to look for it using a file browser. And that's all there is to it. The existence of this hidden .git directory and the files within it are all Git needs to understand that this directory, our project directory, is now home to a Git repository. There are a lot of files within this hidden directory that Git uses internally, but we won't be going into detail on these files in this course. If you're interested, I've added some useful links in the instructor notes below that go into more detail, but it's not required for this course or even required for using Git effectively.